All right, let me show you some of the updates on some things I'm working on over here. So on this panel, I've got one version of my newest coating you guys know nothing about yet. Basically from that water line down to the left is the new. And then same on this side. That's some new. Very hydrophobic. Very hydrophobic, very glossy. We're not doing anything in the middle. This is control. Rawness right here. New coating. Now let me show you. This one is more like Pro Plus. It beads very well. I got a high soap content in this towel, just to kind of show you. So that's soap, obviously sticking to the panel. Get another fresh little dollop. This is the other side. Also new stuff. Very hydrophobic. I would say probably one of the most, potentially going to be the most hydrophobic coating in the industry when it's launched. It sheets very nicely. You can see that soap film just coming right off. This one's still stuck. So this is a newer version of Pro Plus. Essentially close to the same formula, a little bit of tweaks. And you can see it sheets. It's you know, it's whatever. But it's not this that has had a complete head start. This is going to be something different. I think we are on to something. Let me go ahead and do it again, see if we can lap that other one. Woohoo! I don't know if this is exciting you as much as it excites me. Been playing around with this one for a couple months now. It's definitely worth its weight. I will make another video with WSP and show you what that is about as well. And again, this is just center, no coating. You can tell it's got water spots on it. It's been sitting in the Hawaiian sun and the rain and the sea spray getting beat up, and that's what it shows. So that actually is good to see. Coated, not coated. If it'll focus, boom. Big difference. And this one's still sheeting. This one for the win is going to be something different, I'll tell you what. Let me go ahead and rinse it. Oh! Of course it beads well. She's a beater and a sheeter. They both sheet very nicely. I got a little splash on that side, but whatever. All right, WSP video coming next.